Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with Wheat is the Future, where we're spending more time with our family. We're doing healthy recipes, reviews, and doing family time. Today we're going to be showing you how to make 4, 5, or 7 layer dip and be able to use all the ingredients that you want to have in there. Now, the first ingredient we're going to have is our homemade refried beans. If you want to check in the box below, we'll have a playlist that shows you how to make the world's easiest crock-pot beans and then be able to turn those into the world's easiest refried beans. These are full of flavor, no additional cooking needed. So we just whipped up a batch of these, and if you want to check out that video you can. But basically you're going to put a nice thick layer of your refried beans on the bottom. Now the great thing about these refried beans here, there's no added fat. You know, it's not super fattening. This one is high in protein, low in fat, high in fiber. So really good. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get our refried beans, and we're going to go ahead and put probably about, 3/4 of an inch of beans on the bottom of the pan. Alright, you just want to smooth it out. Alright, smooth it out nice and easy. And the great thing about this recipe that we showed you, these beans are like peanut butter. They're nice and smooth. You'll never have any issue working with these beans, which is really nice. Alright, so once you have your layer of beans, this is going to be super quick and easy. Alright, once you have your layer of beans, you're going to go ahead and take 1 jar of paste picante sauce. We're using medium because that's all they had at the store. We usually use mild. You can use whatever. And basically what we do is we use 2 of these. We already have one in a bowl, so we're going to go ahead and pull that out and put them in there. But basically you use 2 of the small jars or 1 of the large jars of the paste picante sauce. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and put that in there. And you just basically smooth it over along the top. Quick and easy. Alright. Alright, just smooth it out with your spoon there. Make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout the whole pan. And remember, that is going to be 2 jars of the paste picante sauce. Now, you don't necessarily have to use paste. You can use your favorite salsa, but we like this one here because it's pretty chunky. So that's going to be real nice. All right, next, you're not going to use a big giant bag like this, but you are going to use 16 ounces of your favorite shredded cheese. We use Colby Jack because it's a mixture of flavors. And basically, you're going to just go ahead and put that along the top. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put that along the top. Just smear it out evenly. Alright, like so. Quick and easy. Make sure you don't make too much of a mess, or your wife, or your mom, or your girlfriend will get really mad at you. But go ahead and put that along the top like that. Okay? And then what we do is we use either sour cream or chobani Greek yogurt. If you've seen some of our other reviews, chobani Greek yogurt is great because it tastes just like sour cream, but there's absolutely no fat and it's high in protein. So that's what we use. And a little secret here, this is going to be probably about 18 to 20 ounces, and then we add a little bit of water just to make the consistency a little bit more runny because this and sour cream is pretty thick. So we want it to be able to just spread on when we go like this. Alright. Makes it really easy in the application. Alright, so just get it all out on there. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's evenly distributed on the whole thing. Now, the difference between 4-layer dip, 5-layer dip, 7-layer dip, all that kind of good stuff, some people will throw avocado into their dip, which adds another layer. My wife is allergic to avocado, so we don't really add that, but I really do love avocado. Another layer is usually the 2 layers on top where people either put black olives or they put onions or tomatoes on top. We usually add tomatoes in the center just to make it a little bit more consistent. And so basically this is what you have, and then some people will dress it up, like I said, on top with green onions and the such. But as you see here, quick and easy, this is going to be 4-layer dip, but you can also do 5, 6, and 7-layer dip. What I would usually do is let this stand in the fridge for about an hour to let the flavors congeal. Then you get your chips and start dipping it in. The great thing about this is that it's super easy to make. It's super cheap if you do the homemade beans, and you know, your family will devour it, and it's not bad for them, which is really nice. You can use a low-fat cheese, and it makes it delectable and delightful. So once again, thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. Please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and make sure that you spend lots of time with your family, because there's no better time than the time you spend with your family. We'll talk to you later. Please subscribe.